I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making an encrypted disk image that acts like a locked folder. Open Disk Utility and choose File New Image Blank Image. Set a sensible size for the files you'll store. Pick apps or Mac OS extended as needed. Once done, choose 256-bit AES encryption for stronger protection and enter a memorable, secure password. Do not skip a hint. Make sure the image format is sparse bundle if you expect to grow the folder over time. After creating the image, mount it by double-clicking the new DMG or sparse bundle and enter the password you set. You can now drag and drop files into the mounted volume just like a normal folder. Organize with subfolders if helpful, and adjust Finder View to confirm items copied. When you finish transferring data, always eject the volume. This secures the files inside the encrypted container. If you need Finder permissions, select Items and Use, get info to correct read/write access before ejecting. To streamline access, set up an automator workflow or add the image as a login item so you mount it automatically. Make sure the script doesn't store the password in plain text. If you can't unlock the image, stop and try your password hint, check your keychain for saved credentials, or restore the original image from backup. Do not attempt risky repairs that can corrupt the container. Finally, verify backups and test mounting periodically to ensure you can still open the locked folder when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.